So the question here asked is that which are the cells whose secretion would protect GI tract? So for this, the answer is going to be goblet cells. So if you see the structure of goblet cells, these goblet cells are actually present at the lining of intestine, and they secrete mucus, and that mucus helps in protection of the intestinal tract. So, goblet cells are modified epithelial cells that secrete mucus on the surface of mucous membranes. So, if we see the location of these goblet cells are mostly found scattered in epithelia of small intestine and respiratory tract. And the morphology of the goblet cell reflects the function, right? So, if we see the structure, it looks like a goblet, right? So, it has a widened base and a narrower end. So the main role of goblet cell is to protect the surface of epithelium, lubricate it, and catch if there is any harmful particles which is there. So goblet cell secretes mucus, thus it is a mucus gland, and the product is excreted in vesicle inside the cells, and that is released by exocytosis. So it is a merocrine gland. And along with that, they release their product on the surface of the epithelium rather than in blood. So it is an exocrine gland. So in total, if we see, goblet cell is mucus gland, it is merocrine gland, and it is exocrine gland.